Hey Sarah, I need your help with something. My computer is acting up again.
Oh no, what seems to be the problem this time?
Well, it's been running really slowly lately, and sometimes it freezes completely. I'm not sure what's causing it.
That does sound frustrating. Let's try to troubleshoot it together. Have you tried restarting your computer?
Yeah, I've tried that a few times, but it doesn't seem to make much of a difference.
Okay, let's start by checking if there are any unnecessary programs running in the background. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open the Task Manager and see if there are any processes that are using a lot of CPU or memory.
Alright, I've opened the Task Manager. It looks like there are a couple of programs that are using a lot of memory. Should I close them?
Yes, go ahead and close any programs that you don't need at the moment. That should free up some resources and potentially improve performance. Let me know if you notice any changes.
Okay, I closed a few programs. It does seem a bit faster now, but it's still not as smooth as it used to be.
We can try running a malware scan to see if there's any malicious software causing the slowdown. Do you have an antivirus program installed?
Yeah, I have one installed, but I haven't run a scan in a while. Let me start the scan now.
Great, let it run and see if it detects any threats. If it does, make sure to quarantine or remove them. Malware can definitely impact the performance of your computer.
The scan is complete, and it found a few malware threats. I've removed them now. Hopefully, that will make a difference.
That's a good step. Now, let's check if your hard drive needs to be optimized. Open File Explorer, right-click on your main drive, usually C, go to Properties, and click on the Tools tab. Then, click on Optimize under the Optimize and Defragment Drive section.
I found it. It says my drive is 12% fragmented. Should I optimize it now?
Yes, go ahead and start the optimization process. It might take a while depending on the size of your drive and the level of fragmentation, but it can help improve the overall performance.
Alright, I've started the optimization. While it's running, is there anything else I should check?
One more thing you can do is update your device drivers. Outdated or incompatible drivers can cause various issues. You can go to the manufacturer's website for your computer or the individual components and download the latest drivers from there.
That's a good point. I'll make sure to update my drivers once the optimization is complete. Hopefully, that will take care of the issues.
It should definitely help. If you're still experiencing problems after trying these steps, we might need to consider more advanced troubleshooting options or seek help from a professional.
I really appreciate your help, Sarah. I'll try these suggestions, and if I still have problems, I'll reach out for further assistance. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome, Alex. Don't hesitate to ask if you need any more help. Good luck, and I hope your computer gets back to its normal performance soon.
Hi Sarah, I followed your advice, but unfortunately, my computer is still running slow. Do you have any other suggestions?
I'm sorry to hear that, Alex. Let's try a few more troubleshooting steps. First, let's check if there are any unnecessary startup programs that are slowing down your computer. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open the Task Manager again. but this time, go to the Startup tab.
Okay, I'm on the Startup tab now. It looks like there are quite a few programs enabled. Should I disable some of them?
Yes, definitely. Take a look at the list and disable any programs that you don't need to start automatically when you turn on your computer. Be cautious not to disable any essential system programs or antivirus software.
I've disabled a few unnecessary programs from the startup list. I'll restart my computer and see if it makes a difference.
That's a good step, Alex. After the restart, observe if the computer's performance has improved. If it's still slow, we can move on to the next troubleshooting step.
I restarted my computer, but unfortunately, the slowness issue persists. What should I do next?
Let's try clearing some temporary files and folders on your computer. These files can accumulate over time and take up valuable storage space. Press the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box, then type %temp% without the quotes and press Enter. This will open the temporary files folder. Select all the files and folders in this location and delete them.
Okay, I've deleted all the temporary files. It freed up quite a bit of space on my computer. I'll check if it has any impact on the performance.
That's great, Alex. Sometimes, clearing temporary files can help improve performance by freeing up disk space. Let's see if it makes a difference. If the issue persists, we can move on to the next step.
I've been using my computer for a while after deleting the temporary files, but unfortunately, it's still running slow. What else can we try?
In that case, let's check if there are any disk errors on your computer. Open File Explorer and right-click on your main drive, usually C. Go to Properties, click on the Tools tab, and under the Error Checking section, click on Check to scan your drive for errors.
Alright, I've started the disk error checking process. It says it may take a while to complete. I'll let you know the results.
Take your time, Alex. The error checking process can take some time depending on the size of your drive and the number of errors it needs to scan. Once it's completed, it will either fix the errors automatically or prompt you to take further action.
The error checking process is complete, and it seems that no errors were found on my drive. I'm not sure what else to do.
I understand your frustration, Alex. Let's try a system restore to a previous point in time where your computer was functioning properly. Press the Windows key and search for System Restore. Open the System Restore utility, and it will guide you through the process of restoring your computer to a previous state.
That's a good idea, Sarah. I'll try a system restore and see if it resolves the issue. I hope it works.
System Restore can be an effective way to revert any recent changes that might have caused the performance issues. If this doesn't work, we might need to consider more advanced troubleshooting options or consult with a professional technician.
I've completed the system restore, but unfortunately, my computer is still running slow. I think it's time to seek professional help. Do you have any recommendations?
If you're ready to seek professional help, I suggest taking your computer to a reputable computer repair shop or contacting the customer support of your computer's manufacturer. They should be able to provide you with further assistance and diagnose any underlying hardware or software issues.
I'll do that, Sarah. I appreciate all your help and suggestions throughout this process. Hopefully, the professionals will be able to identify and resolve the problem.
You're welcome, Alex. I'm sorry we couldn't fix the issue together, but seeking professional help is the right course of action now. I wish you the best of luck, and I hope your computer gets back to its optimal performance soon.
Thank you, Sarah. I'll keep you updated on the progress. Once again, I appreciate your time and support.